Hi, I'm Jo from The Befrienders, and I am going to follow on from Susan's paper folding video today to show you how to make a little origami flower. It looks quite complicated, but it's really easy, and all you actually need is paper and some double-sided tape, it's really fun to do. So you basically make each petal individually and then build it up into the flower. So you make each individual petal and then build them all together into the flower. And you start off with a square piece of paper. It can be any size, as long as it's square, it doesn't matter. It just depends on how big you want to make the flower. So this one I'm doing quite big, so it's easier to show you on the demonstration. So what you do with your square piece of paper is turn it over and fold it in half into a triangle. Like so. Okay. Fold it into a triangle. And then what you need to do is then fold it again on each side into a square almost. So you fold each side, one side and then the other side, so that it makes a square. So the triangle which you had originally then folds up and makes a square. And then what you do with each of the sides is you fold them back on themselves. So you just fold it back and line it up with the square edge like so, and do the same again. So you fold it over and line it up, and it sort of makes almost like a flower shape in itself, like so. So you started off like that, and then you fold them back on themselves, so you end up with like a thistle almost. And then this bit is probably the most difficult bit, but it is very easy once you get it. You take one of the sides and you open it up like so, and then when you open it up you sort of flatten it to make like a petal. Can you see that? So you open up the side and you flatten it like so. So you end up having almost like a bigger flower. I'll show you it from the back as well, like that. And then once you have that, you then just fold down the little triangle at the top, like so. So this bit here, you just fold it backwards on itself, like so. Okay, so that's that section. And then all you do is fold the triangle back again to where you were before, like so. So then you're back to a square again. But then all you need to do this time is get a little bit of double-sided tape and stick it on the inside of one of the folded sort of triangles, like so. Just a little bit of double-sided tape, and then you stick the two together. So you fold it over and stick the two together, like so. And then when you open it up, you have a petal, like so. And then all you need to do with that petal is make 6 of them. And then once you've made 6, I've made 5 here, you just then stick them together. So I've already put double-sided tape on these ones. Just peel that off, like so. And then attach the petal on the inside, and then close it together. Give it a good stick, and then there is your completed flower. And you can put a button or a gem on top. You can put a stick in the bottom of it so that it's actually a flower. You can decorate the edges with glitter. or you can make lots and lots of the flowers and actually then assemble them all together, and it can make a big ball of flower as well. I hope you found that interesting and enjoy making the flowers.